Okay, so today on Out of the Barn, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Unlimited Cellular off of eBay. Gave us a great deal on this GoPro suction mount. So if you're looking for one, definitely go see him. We took this thing out the other day, took a couple Mustangs out, Myrtle the Mustang, and then 99 Slow Bro. And we took these things up to 70 miles an hour on the highway, back and forth, 20-30 minutes. We did have a tether on it, but it just did amazing. Never came off, never shook, never was unstable or anything. So just check out the video, and if you need anything, go to Unlimited Cellular on eBay. Great seller. Thanks.